MN8 FoxFire is the use of advanced photoluminescent pigments that are placed into various items for firefighters. We can suspend these pigments in different types of carriers such as high temperature grade silicone, epoxies, and different types of things that are very high heat resistant, very heavy duty, and they give off illumination for up to 17 to 20 hours based on a very quick charge. I see this as an incredible benefit for my brother firefighters that are out there. Some of the biggest risks that firefighters encounter is lack of visibility, accountability of their tools and each other, and then disorientation. And when I first discovered this technology and the applications that it could be used for firefighting, I knew it's something that I had to do to help the fire industry. And what's happened over the last year or so has been quite incredible how this is starting to transform and change the way that we conduct firefighting operations.
One of the things that we are constantly striving for, firefighter safety. Firefighter safety with regard to the FoxFire products are really threefold. Number one is, if you're the company officer and you're in a very low light environment, you can at least keep track of your crew by seeing where those helmet bands are illuminating or where the tools that they're carrying to assist them are. The tool itself may be what you need to extricate yourself or others in your team, and losing it in a very darkened environment is kin to have never taken it in itself. The third situation for firefighter safety is knowing the way in and knowing the way out. And especially with secondary means of egress, such as a ladder to a window, if that is painted with the luminescent paint, the epoxy paint, then hopefully the person will be able to see it once they get close to that window and know that that is the way out.
As the smoke conditions become worse and they become closer to the ground, then the visibility of me being able to see, a foot, 2 foot in front of me become more difficult. We tried to manufacture a turnout gear with striping on it that will help. But when you hit smoky environments, it becomes more difficult to see through that. It doesn't cut through the smoke as well. One of the good things about the FoxFire product is that it requires no other lights, and it seems to do a very good job cutting through those smoke products.
It is important to always keep track of your tools just in case you do need them in further circumstances. Say if you're doing overhaul, pulling ceiling, lots of drywall is coming down on the ground, you set your tool down for a second, a big piece of drywall or rubble comes down and your tool is covered. Without FoxFire, usually it would be covered and your captain would be mad at you because you lost your tool. Now with FoxFire, I can set it down, rubble may fall down, it will be illuminated through some rubble and I will be able to find it later.
FoxFire product is relatively inexpensive, and the line fireman is certainly able to purchase it on his own to give him that additional safety. And we felt very strongly about it after seeing our members wearing it that we started purchasing the product as a department.
Every product that FoxFire has complements one another. It's all geared to firefighter safety. You can take part of that package, you can take all of that package, but it is all geared in its illumination toward firefighter safety and their accountability.